Hello, so today I am opening up a bunch of glorious Sanrio products. These figures are from the Hello Kitty and Friends Party Time series. There are 6 different figures to collect and I have all 6 ready to unbox with you here today. There is pretty in pink My Melody. Then we have beautiful Kuromi. Then we've got our chunky pup Pompompourin and our other adorable pup Cinnamoroll. Then we have another pup. This is Pajago. I never realized how many pups were Sanrio characters. And then lastly, of course, we have to have Hello Kitty herself. Now, I was able to get my hands on all 6 of these new figures because the lovely people at Banter Toys and Collectibles sent them over to me. Huge thank you to Banter Toys for making this video possible for me and all the Sanrio lovers out there. If you see any of the figures in this video that you want to add to your own collection, they are out now at Target, General Games, and Popcultcha. Alright, let's start by opening up my favorite character, Kuromi. I'm so obsessed with the packaging of these. This looks like a little cupcake box that you'd get at a fancy cupcake store. The front shows the Kuromi figure, then on the side we can see all 6 figures together, and you may notice they're all holding little note cards. That's because these figures function as stands that you can write little messages on for yourself or for other people. So as well as being an adorable figure, these also function as the cutest Memo Stands ever. I'm gonna open it from the bottom just because I love the top so much and I kind of want to use these as a display. And just peel it down here, no problem. And then inside we've got a package which will contain the figure, I assume. Oh, look at these little notes! So these are those note cards you can put in the stand like we saw on the side of the box. The design is so cute. It's got lace along the edges, a purple striped background, and a big heart for you to write your message. And we've even got this really cute illustration of Kuromi. I think she's in an ice cream and you can see some cherries and even a heart with her name on it beside her. There's also matching cherries with some cream over on the other side. They're so smooth and glossy. This is high quality note paper. Alright, now there was also, this is a little stand to put the paper on. But before we take a look at that, let's actually get Kuromi out. Tear across the top. Is she in there? Oh my goodness! This is such a high quality figure. The vinyl on this is so nice. It's so smooth. And the color palette is just stunning. She is wearing a purple hood with pink details. We've got the pink bow, the pink skull, and these little bits on the end are pink too. You can see her signature devil tail here in purple as well. And then you can see she's posed so that she's actually holding onto the berry here. And she and the berries are sat atop this beautiful little slice of cake. Got white icing on top with beautiful little sprinkles in pink and purple. And then when we look on the back, there is this strange hole here. What could that be for? So if we get this stand, it looks quite a lot like a lollipop with this striped stick. This goes into the hole here. And then what you do is you see how there's like a split there. You can just pop your note in there. How awesome is that? And we've got 5 more to open, so we'll do My Melody next. I am beyond excited for the new Netflix show coming out. It looks so adorable. I cannot wait. Oops. Oh, there's a purple bow too! Obsessed with this purple bow. Then if we look at My Melody, she's got her hands under her chin. Super cute. She's wearing a blue polka dot bow, sitting next to a cookie and a raspberry. Then that raspberry matches this raspberry side. It says My Melody on the front. This is what it looks like from the back. And it goes just behind her. Very similar to Kuromi. Adorable. And then then what do my melody notes look like? Okay, so super similar to Kuromi. My melody is also sitting in an ice cream like Kuromi. The illustrations on these are just so adorable. Then let's put one of these in the raspberry, and here she is, the completed My Melody dessert. Here is what the figures look like together. Absolutely adorable. And then add in the notes. Oops, I accidentally put the wrong notes in the wrong figures, but why do they look even cuter like that? Okay, here is what they look like on the original figures. Here is the complete My Melody figure. Alright, let's open up Pompompourin next. Okay, a very yellow and happy fellow. We have Pom Pom, the chubby king. He's wearing a really cute lace apron. He's got his signature beret on, of course, and he's standing next to what looks like a pineapple donut. This is what the back looks like. There's a hole for the sign in the donut here. And the Pom Pom sign is super colorful. It has this rainbow design with a star and then Pompompourin written in a pretty cursive lettering. Put that in here, and that looks so good with the extra height. It adds so much color to the figure. And then our Pom Pom note card. Once again, it has a really similar design to My Melody and Kuromi, but it's got its own special illustration. Pom Pom's hanging out with a little cat friend inside an ice cream, a rainbow up here, and lots of other cute details. I can't believe how glossy this paper is. The back of the card is actually also blank if you want to write a longer note or draw a picture. My drawing skills aren't great, but you get the idea. Alright, time for Cinnamoroll, I think. Oh my goodness. Now, Cinnamoroll is one of my favorites, so I'm always a bit biased, but isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's literally Cinnamoroll using an upside down ice cream as a slide. Lots of cute sprinkles on this one. It also has this detail here, a little cookie which says fresh and fun. The best thing is just how happy that Cinnamoroll looks in his blue chef hat. I am just obsessed with this. Oh, that's nice. The plate has lines too. That's just a really nice bit of texture on there. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon himself gets to hold the sign. So you can see that this one, the holes are actually on the front, on the cinnamon figure himself. The little holder is a tiny fork with a bow on it. Why don't they make real forks that are like this? I want my forks to have bows on them. Put that in there. He is holding the fork. Glorious, stunning, flawless. The most adorable thing I've ever seen. And then, ooh! And then it's interesting because Cinnamoroll is the first card we've seen to have the illustration on the left. If we take a look at that illustration, we can see Cinnamoroll is in what looks like a crepe. He's surrounded by some fruit and has a cute duck friend on his head. And would you look at that? Cinnamoroll says that he loves you. Okay, next is Pochacco, and it looks like he is sleeping. A character having a nap. It doesn't get cuter than that. Close up on sleepy Pajago because he's just so cute. He's splooting all arms and legs out. I love that he just has one ear up, and then he's got a whole dollop of ice cream on his head with a cherry too. A matching cherry down here. This actually feels like I'm holding a mug right now. It's a really nice shape. I love how it says Pochacco across here. That just looks so good. I'm loving all the sprinkle details and this bit that's dripping over the edge of the cup. Now, the sign holder is like a magic wand. It is blue with a star on the end and two little yellow stars. Put the stand in here. That just looks so cool when you add that in. All the different layers and heights. And then where are the little notes? Here is the little note card, the illustration of Pajago has a little duck friend as well. It does look quite similar to the Cinnamoroll one. Alright, time to leave a little message that says, "Sweet dreams. Sleep well, beautiful little Pajago." Will this be able to balance? Oh. No. Alright, so the final figure for the collection is Hello Kitty herself. We have another super pretty pastel one. Look at Hello Kitty's little wings. That's so precious. Also, she's got a pink bow with what looks to be a cookie in the middle. Then you can see she is placing a strawberry, I think, onto the birthday cake. Lovely birthday cake with pink icing, white icing around the edge here, another strawberry, a star candle. Then the stand here is a cream sign. It has a cookie on the end that actually matches the cookie on her bow. And putting it in the back here. I just love how many different layers that these figures have. The last thing we want to do is get out the Hello Kitty note cards. She has a lot going on in the illustration. Her cone has Hello Kitty written on it, and then there's a tiny little heart here that says, "Enjoying fun days together." There's also the matching heart here that says the same thing. And then time to put the final note in the final stand. And what does that say? It says, "Thank you, Panda Toys, for sending me these beautiful figures so that we could look at them together today." If you would like to get these figures for yourself, you can find them at Target, General Games, and Popcultcha. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. That is all from me today. I will see you again soon. Bye!